Hey everyone, James Reeves, TFBTV here at EnforceTac 2026 at the Fort booth. I'm with my buddy Alex. Alex is with Crook. You guys know Crook from our WBP videos where they make some of the best furniture that you could possibly make for the AK. Of course, and truly hands-on, as somebody who's shot it, I think it might be the best AK furniture that you can get. So again, Ukrainian company, we've got a Ukrainian gun. We're looking at the 5.7 pistol from Fort. This is the Model 28. And I had never seen it, but apparently this is like legendary in Ukraine, right?
Yeah, it has kind of a legendary lore about it. So, like everyone who is really into guns, as we cannot have handguns available as a civilian weapon in Ukraine, we only have the long guns available. Everyone is still fond of a good pistol, and for Fort being a respected Ukrainian brand that does a lot of job in not the most exciting stuff, like the regular service reliable pistols. Something of a unicorn, having the 5.7 model, not just a copy, but a proprietary own design that is designed and manufactured in Ukraine with its tech, which is available, with the quality and with the ruggedness of being tested throughout the war and the police use. It's really nice to see them here, and it's really nice to see this model lives on. So it's not just a one-off forgotten like a test piece or a test bat or maybe like an expo variant.
Yeah, and so my understanding is that this is actually like an extremely durable, reliable pistol.
It is, because unlike the FN's original 5.7, this one has more steel in its construction. It's the slide, which is not just a polymer slide, but also has the metal insert inside of it, and the frame itself has the metal inserts along the slide rails to allow some added durability. Reliable post-Soviet domestic Ukrainian developed pistol in a clamshell of a more modern one and capable of some serious capabilities with the 5.7. And with 5.7 gaining reputation, notoriety, and popularity in the world, it's really nice to have this option available and produced domestically in Ukraine.
Yeah, now I imagine 5.7 ammo is probably hard to come by in Ukraine, huh?
Partially, it becomes more available globally, so you cannot say that it's a really expensive gun to shoot, because really good 9mm ammo costs about as much as the 5.7.
Oh, wow.
Why not? It's globally available at that price, not that common in Ukraine, just because there is not enough pistols on hand. You can get pistol as a reward for your bravery, for your years spent in the army, and for the experience, but it's not open for the civilian purchase yet, so that is why it's not much innovation on our field, but Fort still continues to push on, and that's why we as the gun community of Ukraine really love them.
Alex, have you been lucky enough to shoot one of these?
Not this one, sadly, because as I mentioned, it's kind of a unicorn. Everyone talks about it, but nobody's seen it, and I'm one of the rare prophets that have witnessed them.
So have you shot this pistol?
Yes.
What do you think?
I think it's a very dangerous weapon and gun. And
that's what we like.
Yes, it's a very strong pistol with strong cartridges with good quality.
Tell me about the testing that this pistol's undergone.
The Fort-28 pistol undergoes the most rigorous state testing by military and by armed forces of Ukraine. So we checked the operation of this pistol under influence of the rain, under influence of a snow or swamp. So it's all good and without any problem.
I talked to Konstantin, and he said that he would take us to the range after this. So
yeah, you should definitely go, because especially with this one, I believe you'll have a good time with it, because once again, not to throw a stone into the garden, the beautiful garden of Fabrique Nationale, the newest 5.7 doesn't look up to modern time, and this one is definitely nicer than that. Also, you gotta try the 20 with the upgraded packages, because having the manufacturer of the pistol offers such a lineup of accessories on hand, a la carte, it's real nice to have.
Well, Alex, thank you very much for your time. I know that you're a fan of this pistol. Guys, thanks as usual for tuning into TFBTV. Stay tuned. We're bringing you more from EnforceTac 2026 and IWA tomorrow. Take care.